Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing out and giving you guys my review with a wear test on the Ardell Magnetic Eyelashes. I have them on right now, so if you guys are interested and want to hear my thoughts and see how long they last and how well they last, I am going to be having a spring giveaway very soon, and I am going to be giving away something pretty big, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned for that. So before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload, and let's start the video. Alright, so here I have the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash Set. This is a gel magnetic liner and magnetic eyelashes. So I'm going to be trying them out and giving you guys my wear test at the end of this video along with my thoughts on these lashes and if I would recommend them. These lashes are reusable, and it does say that is long lasting, waterproof, and no latex, and it is easy to apply. So the liner is a gel liner, and it does come along with a little precise brush to apply the liner with. It is, like I said, gel, and it is black, and this is what it looks like. You guys, the container is a pretty decent sized container, but then when you actually look at it, the actual amount of gel liner that's in it is very, very little for the size of the container. So I thought that was kind of funny because the jar looks so big and like there would be a lot of liner, but there's actually a very small amount. And here's the brush. It's pretty small to hold in your hand, and it is a precise angled brush, so this should be pretty easy to use to apply the liner. And of course, here are the lashes. They are more of a natural kind of lash. It's nothing too bold or crazy. So they're super pretty, and I'm excited to see how they look on my eyes. So I am just going to be taking that brush and dipping into the gel liner, and I'm going to start applying the liner. So basically, I'm just going to be applying that liner with this precise brush as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to be dragging that all along my whole eyelid, my whole lash line, and just getting as close to my lash line as possible, like I said, because you don't want the liner to be too far up and then the eyelashes just would look really weird. So as close to your lash line as possible. Something I did notice when applying this eyeliner is in the jar, when I'm putting it on the brush, it seems really creamy and easy to pick up to the brush. But when I'm applying the liner onto my eyelid, it is not going off as easy as I would have hoped. It is kind of hardening up and not so creamy, and kind of just struggling to get that onto my eyelid. So I am applying the eyelash. It's super easy to pop on. You just have to make sure that you have the magnetic part of the lashes where the eyeliner is. So it's super easy to pop on. If you do mess up, you can take it off and reapply it. And here's my take 2 on applying it, because it was coming off and I didn't quite get it set how I wanted. So this is my second attempt at applying it and I did get it. So here is what my eyelashes look like. Like I said, it's super subtle and kind of looks more natural. I really think it was super easy to apply. It took maybe 5 minutes to apply them. And so I'm just going to come back and check in with you guys a little bit later and give you my wear test and thoughts. Alright, so I'm back with my wear test update. I did put these lashes on around noon and it is now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've had them on several hours, and within the first hour of wearing them, this eyelash completely came off. So on both eyes, the inner part of the eyelash has been like popping off, and I just have to like pull it back down and stick it to the liner. I did notice that where it does pull off, it kind of pulls off the eyeliner, and I had to completely reapply eyeliner once, and that was probably like an hour into wearing them. So I definitely think when I first applied the eyeliner, I probably could have went a little bit thicker, just to give more of an area for the lashes to stick to. So maybe that was my fault. I didn't apply enough eyeliner. But also, now as we're talking, I've had them on, like I said, several hours, and keep in mind that I have already completely reapplied this one right here with new liner and everything. And if I close my eyes, I don't know if you guys can tell, it is coming off already right here in the inner part of the eye. It is already coming off. So like pretty much the whole time I've been wearing them, the inner corners is what's been popping off. And I'm gonna show you guys. It's like super easy. It just comes right off, and just like that, it's off. So you guys can tell in the camera, there is like 3 magnets on these lashes, one right here on the inner part of your eye, the middle, and the outer part. So I personally think that maybe the magnets are too far spaced out. I'm not really sure. I just know that definitely the inner magnet right here was not working at all, because like I said, pretty much the whole time I've had the lashes on, the inner part is rising up and coming off. And like when it does come off, then it pulls off the eyeliner. So if you want to stick them back on, you literally would have to apply more eyeliner. So I definitely wouldn't want to be wearing these for like a special event or anything like that, because you have to keep applying eyeliner to keep the lashes to stay, and like basically keep reapplying the lashes the whole time. But on another note, like I said, I probably could have applied more eyeliner, but this was my first time using magnetic lashes and everything, so I really didn't know what I was doing. So I probably could have applied more eyeliner and it might have stuck better, might not have. I'm not really sure. I'm still gonna like keep using them and try them out and just see if maybe I can improve on my technique of applying them to make them last longer, or if it's just the lashes. But I definitely do like how they look on my eye. It doesn't look like fake lashes, like it looks more natural. I guess that's just the style that these lashes are. So this being my first time using magnetic lashes, I really don't have anything to compare them to, but I definitely do want to like test out some more magnetic lashes in the future. I've always been interested in magnetic lashes and everything. It was super easy to apply them. It literally took like maybe a minute. It was so easy to apply them, but like I said, I did have to keep applying them throughout the day because they were coming off. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like I said, I wouldn't want to wear these for like something like special because they keep coming off. If you don't want to be messing with your eyelashes, then I wouldn't recommend these because they keep coming off. like for everyday wear, yeah, they're fine, but they keep coming off. I don't think it would be much fun to have to stop and keep refixing your eyelash, and not everybody's gonna carry their magnetic liner with them. So that's just something to be cautious about. As of right now, I'm just going to keep using these lashes and see if I can improve and get them to last longer. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you know of another magnetic eyelash brand that you would be interested in me trying out and doing a review and wear test on, comment down below and let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video.